Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at the pros and cons of using Blaze AI. Now Blaze AI is your social media's BFF, the new BFF. So if you're tired of staring at blank screens like a zombie, then Blaze AI is the best for you. It promises to be a content genie, but does it grant wishes or just spit out robotic nonsense? Let's find out. One of the advantages is that it pumps out posts faster than you can say writer's block. The disadvantage is that sometimes personalized is equal to hello, the name of the person, love your content. That's it. Then the second advantage is that the blogs almost sound human if humans loved SEO. The disadvantage is that tone deaf moments. Tone deaf moments, that is, funny captions that flop harder than your Wi-Fi. The next advantage is that it's cheaper than hiring a copywriter and less judgy. Disadvantage: the free plan watermarks like a bad meme. Next advantage, which is actually the last one we'll discuss today, is that it is multilingual. Even a Canadian about needs to be there, or about. Moving on, the bad is that the creative ideas include 47 hashtags. Hashtag why, hashtag stop, hashtag please. So what's the verdict? It is great for lazy creators, risky if you need actual personality, but use it to spark ideas, but maybe edit out the robot flirting. PS, if your AI written blog goes viral, we accept thank you tacos. Done. Go post something. See you in the next video.